Hi, it's Carla from Illy Insurance Agency, and this month we are discussing floods. Now, it's important to know that flood maps have changed, and if you want to know the flood risk in your area, you can go to msc.fema.gov, type in your address, and you'll be able to see if you live in a high risk area or not. Now, high risk zones start with the letter A and Z. Now, if you do live in a low risk area, it doesn't mean that you are safe from floods because 20% of flood claims come from those that live outside of the high risk areas. Now, if you are a homeowner, it's good to know that floods are not covered in a standard homeowner policy. Depending if you have a mortgage or not, you may have been required to get flood insurance. Now, how much does flood insurance cost? There are some things that do factor into the overall price. However, if you do live in a low risk area, you may qualify for a preferred risk policy that can start as low as $395 per year. Now, flood insurance can cover your property and or contents. Now, what are some things that they look at to see just how much flood insurance can cost you? First, they will look at the risk in your area, the year your home was built, the number of floors, your deductible, and the amount of coverage. Now, if you decide that you do want to get flood insurance, it's good to get it as soon as possible because, again, there is a 30-day waiting period. Now, where do floods come from and what constitutes a flood? Now, floods come from storms, melting snow, hurricanes, drainage system backups, broken water mains, changes to land from new construction, and that's just to name a few. Alright, so we just wanted to make you aware of the importance of having flood insurance. It's all about assessing your risk to find out if this is something that is important for you to have. Like I said, if you live in a high risk zone and you don't have a mortgage and maybe you don't know the risk of floods in your area, I suggest you to go to msc.fema.gov to find out. Alright, so hurricane season starts June 1st, and meteorologists are predicting it to be an above average year for hurricanes. So now is not the time to wait. There are going to be more rainstorms, and there's also the potential of more wind and hail storms. So it's a good time to make sure that you're properly covered for wind and hail in your homeowner policy. Alright, so insurance is all about transferring the risk of financial loss. And like I said, if you feel that you need flood insurance, you can always give us a call for a quote. You can give us a call if you have any more questions, or you can go on the FEMA's website. Now, you do not always have to purchase flood insurance from FEMA. There are private companies that sell flood insurance, and sometimes they are cheaper. So it's great to shop around to find out what's best for you and your family. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, you can go onto our website at illyinsurance.com. Now, if you go onto our website and you go to the tab for flood insurance, there is something on our website where you can see just how much flood insurance could cost you. Just from 1 inch of water in your home, or just a couple couple inches of water in your home, it can cause thousands and thousands of dollars in damage. All right, so like I said, it's all about assessing the risk and finding out what's the best coverage for you and your family. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 215-439-4585. Thank you and be safe.